Yay! So today I'm going to be doing something that I probably really shouldn't be doing. I'm going to be opening a whole sack of Christmas presents on camera right now. Here it is. Here's the sack. It's really heavy. So you're going to get my reaction to all of the presents inside firsthand. So you're probably thinking like, why are you doing that? You're ruining Christmas. But actually, I've been sent this amazing sack full of presents from Social Network Solutions. I did a video not long ago with Social Network Solutions and I've done loads of videos with them before. They basically just send items for me to unbox on camera so that you guys can see them, get a first glimpse and stuff, and it's all normally small independent businesses which I love to support, so I'm always so happy to do these videos. Normally they come in like a hamper or like a crate, but because it's Christmas they've put it in this massive Santa sack which does say do not open before December the 5th, but 5th? December 25th obviously. But it's got my name on it and I've never had a sack or anything with my name on it before. We normally have stockings, but this is my first Christmas sack. And I've had a look inside and it's just full of wrapped presents. So it's honestly like Christmas Day. Come really early because it's still November when I'm filming this. But still, honestly, I never normally get this many presents for Christmas anyway, so now that I'm 25. Oh my god, my battery's flashing. That means I've got to wait until it's charged before I can film this video. Right. Okay, I'm back. It's charged a little bit. Hopefully this will last me the whole video. If not, I'm going to have to do another break, which I can't deal with because I want to open my presents. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is this. It says, "To Rosie, Merry Christmas from Caseapp." I'm so excited to open this because I love Caseapp. I got this from them last time, which is my phone case at the moment. It's just got loads of naked ladies on it and it's called Proud Bodies. They did ask me what kind of designs I wanted and I picked out, I think, one for me and then the rest I picked out were for friends and family. So depending on which ones they sent, I'm really excited. Okay, so the first one I got is for my phone and it's just got loads of little willies on it. I know this is kind of obviously not everyone's taste. I mean, it's a little bit rude obviously, but I just thought it was really funny, like loads of different types of willies on it. I'll put a close-up picture here, but yeah, I thought that was quite cool. It goes well with my Proud Bodies case, so maybe I'll swap to the willies soon. And then this one is one that I chose for my friend and it's just got loads of little spots on it. So I thought that was really cute too. So yeah, Caseapp is a really amazing website to go for phone cases, laptop cases or anything like that. I absolutely love it. Okay, next I'm gonna go for this one. This one says, "Merry Christmas, love, Rubis." Oh my god, it looks like wine. Wait, is it wine? Yeah, it's wine. Oh my god, amazing. I do love a bit of wine. Look at that. This is an indulgent blend of fortified red wine and premium chocolate flavour. So it's like chocolate wine. An indulgent treat which can be enjoyed as an after dinner snack at room temperature or chilled over ice. Oh my god, this is also from Rubis. So it's going to be another wine. It's going to be a very, very merry Christmas. This is the same as the one before. So maybe they've given me one for me and then one to give as a gift to someone for Christmas maybe. So that's really, really cool. I love the look of these. It says Rubis chocolate wine is a sumptuous infusion of Spanish Tempranillo grapes and... There's someone knocking on my wall. Creepy. Next is this one. This says, "To Rosie, Merry Christmas from Perky Blenders." Oh yes, I really wanted one of these. Oh my god. The box is a little bit broken, but this is a reusable coffee cup. This is just a reusable cup because obviously coffee cups and all the plastic they use and stuff is so bad for the environment. So if you have a reusable cup like this, you really cut down on things like that, which is so important, and I'm so passionate about that right now. Like, I always think it's so scary to think about the environment and stuff at the moment, so coffee cup is a good place to start. And you can go into like Starbucks or Costa or any coffee shop and ask for it to be put in here, and they normally give you a discount if you're not using their cups. So the cup was the brand Keep Cup. Oh, that's what the smell was. Okay, I could smell like a really strong smell of coffee in my sack, and now obviously I know why. It's because I've been sent 2 packets of coffee. This is a coffee body scrub in collaboration with Soapsmith, and then this is coffee, so I can obviously smell that. Oh my god, it smells so nice. I absolutely love the smell of coffee beans. Like, I used to work in a coffee shop and I used to just get the beans and just sniff them like all day. I absolutely love these. That'll be a really good gift for a coffee lover for sure. Okay, what's next? Let's go for a little one. This one is from Pieskot. Ah, they're cards. Oh my god, they're greeting cards. This is amazing. I think they're Christmas cards, yeah. So, obviously, they're really cute. That one's got like a little dog. That kind of looks like me and my old dog. My old dog looks like that. but smaller. They're really, really cute designs, and I actually collect cards. If I see a greeting card that I like the look of, even if it's nobody's birthday or if it's not Christmas or anything like that, no occasions, I'll just buy it anyway. Oh, that one's really cute. Because occasions always come back around and then I can just pick from my massive box of cards. So I'm definitely going to be adding these to that collection. This one is from Teddy Edward. That's honestly so creepy. What do you want? What? Oh, these are socks. Oh my god, these are really soft. They've got like something inside them to keep them. Stop doing that! These are really cute socks. They say Teddy Edward on the bottom of them, but they're kind of festive because they've got like red trim and they're really nice white colour. I love wearing long socks when I'm just sitting down watching TV or something at night because it gets so cold and I always need something on my feet, so long socks are a really good option. So those look really cool, although it says size small and I definitely don't think I'm a size small. I've got massive feet. But hopefully I can squeeze into them. Oh no, this one has really fallen apart. Okay, we're gonna do our best with it. So this one is from SoShape. First of all, I've got this, which is Smart Pancake Mix. It says, just like you, we never want to choose between staying in shape and enjoying great tasting food. Story of my actual life. That's why we've crafted delicious pancakes with fewer calories. In every bite, you'll also be getting high protein and fibres with low sugar and fat. Amazing! I've got this little guidebook as well. I don't know what this is, but it says sea salt caramel. Yeah, so it's like a meal replacement thing. Okay, cool. And here I've got exactly the same as the pancakes, but muffins. So that's really cool. I've got a little shaker cup thing so that I can put my protein mix thing in there, which is great. SoShape actually have an offer at the moment where if you use this code that I'll put here, HOHOHOCUSTOM, you can get double the amount of flavours for free in the 14-day or 28-day challenge. So SoShape has these challenges that you sign up for, basically to watch your diet and stuff. It just helps you lose a few pounds, I guess. Next is this one. This one says, to Rosie, Merry Christmas, love Celtic Herbal. Season's greetings, Rosie. We really hope you enjoy these natural Christmas treats, handmade in Wales. We've included our Christmas soap and natural soy candle to bring the cosy scent of Christmas to your home. Oh, yes, please. I love a Christmas candle. And our classic 100% natural vanilla lip balm, perfect for hydrating cracked winter lips. I feel like they've just read my mind, figured out everything I need in my life right now, which is a Christmas candle and my lips to not be cracked, and they've sent it to me. So you guys can get 10% off anything from Celtic Herbal, which is a really nice natural Welsh brand, it sounds like. So make sure you go check out their website if you are interested in that. I will leave all links to any websites, discount codes and everything in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So the first thing I have is this soap. This is spiced orange and cinnamon natural soap, and it smells so dreamy. I really love the smell of that. And then this is a little candle, which is Christmas Ketch, I don't know if I'm saying it right. This is the spiced orange and clove soy candle. Oh my god, that smells so great. Oh my god. Right. That smells exactly like a florist in my village at home at Christmas, when they have all the Christmas stuff in. I've not been in there for years. I don't know how that smell just came to me, but it smells exactly like that. And here is the lip balm. So this is a 100% natural beeswax vanilla lip balm. That looks so satisfying. Oh my god, that smells incredible. I don't even want to touch it, it looks so nice. But I do need a really good lip balm, and apparently beeswax is amazing and it's all natural, so it's all good. So this one says it's from Bodi. Oh my god, if these are like shapewear pants, I need them in my life. Yes, thank you Bodi. I don't know why, I really like shapewear. It just holds you in, makes you feel more confident. Everything that you kind of wish wasn't there, it just kind of sucks it all in, which I absolutely love. And obviously around Christmas everyone isn't really like counting their calories, so it's probably going to be quite handy in the new year as well. And then these pants as well. These look like really great period pants. They've got like a weird... Oh, so these are period pants. They've got like technology in the middle of them so that if you have any leaks or anything it catches it. That's cool. Okay, see, first impressions were right. Period pants. I love a good pair of period pants, you can't go wrong. Pure comfort needed. Then I've got this from Buy a Gift. What? Oh my god, no way! So they've given me a blissful spa day choice for 2 around the whole of the UK. So it says, at your selected spa location, you and your spa buddy can choose the perfect 25-minute treatment to suit you. So you can have a Swedish back massage, a scalp massage, facial, file and paint, foot refresh. There's so many different options. Basically, a spa day for 2. That is so cool. Thank you so much, Buy a Gift. I love that. I do think the best kind of gifts you can give are experience gifts, because it's just a bit more meaningful, especially if you can go with that person. It just obviously means that you want to spend time with them and not just give them something materialistic and then, you know, forget about it until next Christmas or whatever. Like, I feel like gifts like this mean that you do really care about someone if you want to like actually spend time with them. And it looks like they do loads of other different things like meals and like adventure things. Oh, this is the last one. Okay, so this is from Awebox. Okay, so it's a little brown box like this. How do I open it? Okay, so it says, welcome to this month's Awebox, your fully customizable subscription box. So the first thing I've pulled out is this English tea shop green tea pomegranate tea. Next I've got some chocolate, some raw chocolate, which is organic, dairy free and gluten free, and it's sweetened with coconut sugar, so this sounds like really healthy chocolate, to be honest. So I've got more chocolate from the Raw Halo brand. This one is milk and vanilla, so I'm guessing like a white chocolate kind of thing, and this is milk and pink Himalayan salt. Next we've got a little bottle of whiskey. I actually do like whiskey, weirdly. I know it's kind of like an old man's drink, but this looks like a really nice one as well, and you can put it in a lot of different cocktails. So next I've got this, which is a Corsten Press, which I've tried before. I've tried this brand before. Their lemon one is so nice. This is a ginger beer can. These are cherry and amaretto humbugs. Annoyingly, I'm not a big fan of cherry or amaretto. Amaretto's okay, I can tolerate it, but I really don't like cherry flavoured things. But again, I know someone who will absolutely go mad for these, so I'll be giving these away as a gift for sure. Oh my god, no way! I've just bought a black nail varnish yesterday, and now I've got this one, which is from Moyu London, and this is their Black Night nail lacquer. Although I painted my nails yesterday, it's already chipping, so hopefully this is a better quality one and it will stay on for a little bit longer, so I'm excited to try that. I might repaint my nails with those straight after this. And then I've got this, which is the English Tea Shop No Brew Like Home, your perfect companion, bringing a little taste of home on your next adventure. What is this? Oh my god, this is amazing. So this is basically like a travel tea bag set. This is so cool because obviously if you're British and you love your tea, nowhere else does tea as good as in Britain for you. That makes sense. Like, nothing will do. You just want a good English breakfast sometimes. So inside this just has loads of different tea bags that you can take away with you. That is so cool. Such a good idea. Sorry if the lighting or positioning's just changed. I had to change my battery again because it ran out literally seconds before I finished the video. As I said before, all links and websites and discount codes, etc. will all be in the description box, so make sure to go and check that out if you're interested in anything I showed. Let me know in the comments down below what your favourite thing that I showed was, and also let me know if you've tried any of these brands before, because I've actually never heard of any of them this time, which I love because it means that I get to try loads of new brands that I haven't tried before. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!